Can you ride an electric bike without a license? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an interesting topic to discuss. Can you ride an electric bike without a license? As the world of biking evolves with the introduction of electric bikes or e-bikes, it's essential to understand the legalities involved. So let's dive right into it and find out what the laws have to say about riding these awesome machines. E-bikes laws in 2023. Kids have been riding bikes without any paperwork or licenses for years. But now, with the advent of electric bikes, things have changed. Electric bikes, or e-bikes, are equipped with a motor powered by a rechargeable battery pack, which gives the rider some or all of the benefits of a motorbike. But can you ride an electric bike without a license? E-bikes can reach speeds of up to 20 to 35 miles per hour, thanks to their motors. So it's relevant to ask whether a license is required to operate them. Let's find out. Federal versus state e-bike regulations. In the United States, the regulation of e-bikes is a combination of federal and state laws. At the federal level, e-bikes are not classified as motorized vehicles in the official sense. Instead, they are considered consumer products regulated by the Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC. However, on the state level, things can be different. While most states do not require a license to ride e-bikes, some states like California, DC, and Texas may have specific requirements based on the specifications of your e-bike. E-bike classes. By law. To bring more clarity to the regulations, e-bikes are classified into 3 classes based on their speed and motor functionality. Class 1 e-bikes have a top speed of 20 miles per hour and provide pedal assist. Class 2 e-bikes have both pedal and motor functions, with a speed limit of 20 miles per hour. Lastly, Class 3 e-bikes can reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour, while providing the same functionality as Class 2 e-bikes. These classifications are important to consider as they may affect whether you need a license to ride your e-bike, depending on your state's regulations. Other e-bike requirements. Apart from the licensing aspect, there are a few other requirements you need to keep in mind. Most states require riders to be at least 14 years old or supervised by an adult. Additionally, wearing a helmet is often mandatory based on local laws. It's worth noting that these regulations also apply to other vehicles such as electric scooters, so make sure you understand the specific rules and regulations in your state. Electric scooters, dirt bikes. Now let's briefly touch upon electric scooters and dirt bikes. Similar to e-bikes, most states do not require a license to operate electric scooters. However, there are exceptions, like Texas and California, where a license may be necessary. When it comes to electric dirt bikes, the license requirement varies by state. In some states, you may not need a license, while in others, an electric moped license might be required. To sum it all up, e-bike laws differ from state to state, and it's crucial to know the regulations in your locality. If necessary, having a valid driver's license should cover your e-bike operation. And remember, always prioritize safety by wearing a helmet and following traffic rules. Do you need a license for an electric dirt bike? Depending on your state of residence, you may not require a license to ride your electric dirt bike. Many states class e-dirt bikes in the same category as e-bikes, and you may not need a license to operate one. Also, in many states that do not require a license, adult supervision is required for minors under a certain age, usually 14, 16. In states that do require a license, you would need to get an electric moped license. Do you need a license to drive an electric scooter? Like e-bikes, most states do not require a license to operate an electric scooter. In these states, e-scooters are classed together with e-bikes. However, some states are the exception to this. States like Texas and California require a license for you to operate an electric scooter. But what if you already own a valid car license? Do you need a special license to operate street-legal two-wheel vehicles? That's all for today's video, folks. We hope you found this information helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of riders. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring. Take care. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, keep the rubber side down and enjoy the ride.